Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Ka Fanwar Faith Organization hakalai potri unai wing arajar posan. Klapin long ke charity fundraising kumshibintaban Pynmih Pisa nagabinta ka Fanwar Academy. But nagabintaban Kyrshan tulab Nonghikai jongan ka Skul blessing hagashnong pindeng Mauli West Khasi Hills District. Hagajilang Pynmih Pisa klapin long Hawindamere Estate Ompling Shillong lasaki ka jinga shimbinta jong ki patba kinthop ya ka MLA jong ka East Shillong ka Dr. Amprin Lingdo bar kiwe ki blasha khats ngong bha ubashan Fanwar ubade udong seng ya ka Fanwar Faith Organization ulet ho ba ya ka ying school jong ka Fanwar Academy lasdang bantay house nam arajar pholai bar ala ban pendap house nam arajar phosan bar mentara la ban sedang ya ka jing a jingi kai ki khenna ki ba puli naduk ka kardan nursery hadu class 2 Ulay thoru bodang dan jing thmu ban kintiu kardan shu yagan ka Skul sigi kardan puli ki bakham shalor hakisnam ki bansawan yamenta kani ka Skul kadan rungut Nonghikai bat kumbalai pusan ngut ki khena Skul.
Thank you so much, everyone. Really appreciate it. Hi, my name is Kyrshan Fanwar. I'm originally from Sora, but I've lived most of my life overseas. Part of my passion is that I have a nonprofit in the US called Fanwar Faith Inc. We started in 2003, and we have been sponsoring children here in Meghalaya. Last year, we started a school here, and the teachers of the school are actually some of the students that we sponsored. The school is in Pynmih in West Khasi Hills, and today we had a fundraiser here at the Windermere to raise funds to help with the building of the school, but also to sponsor the teachers, because we feel that if we don't or cannot afford good teachers, then the school will not perform as well. So that's a short introduction of myself. I am Khasi from Sora, and I'm glad to be home. So during COVID, we had the whole world was in a disarray, as you know. We had students in Pune, and I made the decision not to send them home, instead to enroll them in online classes. So they stayed in Pune, finished their education, and while this was going on, we considered the idea of how do we find employment for our students who we have educated, some of them from the age of 3 and 4 all the way through multiple degrees. So the idea came to start a school. It's not a natural thing to me. That's not in my line. But I felt that due to my own personal experience as a really poor student, that we could contribute back to the society. So we looked for a school, and we found the suitable location in Pynmih. The people invited us there. They were welcoming of us. So we started construction in 2023, and in 2025 March we started the first few classes, nursery to standard 2. Next year we're hoping to go to standard 5, and the hope is that we will continue building into higher secondary, college, and my hope and my dream is to go right up to university and give these kids every opportunity they can to excel academically or in the industrial arts, with the hand skills. Our motto for the school is learning for life. Forgive my Khasi, it's not so good, but it's Kajinghikai Shijingim. That's what we have called it, because we believe that education is more than ABC. It's also skills. It's learning to live life, to cooperate, to understand the world, understand our country, understand our states, understand our culture, and understand each other. And that's really the big idea of Fanwar Academy.
Kumenta nyidang don kumba Henry Nonghikai but kumba lai pusan lai pu henry ngot ki kena badang kuliah skul dia ke don naduk kelas nursery haduk kelas 2 mentah tinggi kemi lenti ba dakajing yarap but dakajing no senyang jungki bahayeng ki paralog para George ni ba keni ke skul kan nang roi shu tat andangin la ben kio shaki kelas ba kamhe nang tangi kermen ro ba ki paralog ki para George ni kinang support yang ni kinang don lang bet ni namar ba ke education yang ni baro hi ke de ke ba long very important ma kum yang aro personally ngasmo ba claim ke jinghikai ne claim ke education nganum don hakani ke position bangadon mentaken de ni so tho ba kani ke jing puli ke ba ke bedik benlong ke bakong san ha jing em jung ki kena baro tingi so kemen but ni kermen bha but ni kerpat ro ya baro ki supporters jungi ki bala don lang but ni na do ke basdang jong ke Fanwar Faith Organization but hadu mentah bangi lala bente ya kani ke skul ni so kemen but ngilong ki bakermen ro bakin nang yarap yangi kinang continue ben support yangi ben nang no senyang shushu bengin dupla ben yarap bikin ki kena hakati kesnong